a crossed over double Dutch braid into a ponytail. It's Jessica from Trencita Johnson, and today I would like to show you how I created this style. You need a middle parting, and then you section off the crown hair in two parts. So I'm starting with the right hand side, I clip it away, and I do the same line on the left hand side of my mannequin head and clip it away. Then I'm using a stretchy soft hair tie to make the high ponytail. I'm bringing the hair tie over the thumb, flip it through, and then I tighten it. This trick makes possible that you don't move the hair as much as you would do it if you bring the ponytail directly through it. Then I'm loosening up the first part, starting with the right hand side, and we're going to make 3 strands from the front section, and I'm always starting from the middle to bring under the strand, then we add in hair, and then we go to the other side. So bring under 1 strand and add in some hair. At the beginning I did the section in a diagonal way. You will see it when we repeat it on the other side again. And also the braiding goes a bit diagonally at the beginning. You want to be more on the outer edge of the face and to the part line that we did by the side, and you're braiding to that side. So it's not too much in the middle of the head. The idea is to have a round shape later. You're going to braid until you reach the ponytail, go a bit over, and then pancake slightly the edges from the braid and repeat the same procedure. Here you see 3 strands. We start from the middle of the head to bring it under the middle strand, and then when we did the first stitch we start to incorporate hair. Remember to braid a bit diagonally and try to make the strands always in the same thickness, so it will look more equal, the braid that we are going to create. Always go under, the Dutch braid is always under from the outer side, under the middle strand. Then you pancake, secure with a tiny elastic, and when we have the 2 braids we cross them over. Now you can clip the ponytail away and you combine them under the ponytail with another clear elastic. Now I'm covering the edges a bit so that you don't see that we have actually 2 parts of the ponytail, and this is the final result. I hope you like it. Please let me comment down below what you think of this style, and if you ever recreate it, let me know. Show me in your Instagram account or send me a message. I would love to see your recreations. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.